Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book a ticket on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type omio.com. After doing that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Omio. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into these stacks. Now, what kind of ticket do you want to book on Omio? Do you want to book a train ticket or a bus ticket, or flight tickets, or even ferries? Select any of these options. But now under here, we have the, of course, find my accommodation, and you have all of these options. So you have this communication bar for you to add your location, and here's for your destination. So click on that and add your destination, and here your location. Then add the date you want to travel. If you want to return, add return, and you're going to have this calendar displayed for you. Then if you want to add multiple passengers, just go ahead and click on that. This is just me. If you want to add additional passengers, please go ahead and add additional passengers. If you have a discount card, please click that and go ahead and click on search. So I want to book a flight tickets because of this tutorial. Now, if it's a bus ticket, in this window, you have these options right here at the top. This is trains. You have for trains, you have for buses, you have for flights. So go ahead and select any of them. And as you can see, this window is loading up so that I can just book my flight. So we're here. And now that we're here, I'm going to have to select, so this is for trains, and just you can set it to flights if you need for flights. So I'm going to select any. And that takes me to this window where I'm going to add. So do you have light, standard, or flex? So I'm just going to click on flex because I have more benefits. So click on go to passenger details. Of course, you're going to add a check bag here by clicking on this plus icon. So the next window is passenger details for you to review the passenger details. So add passenger details. After adding the details, ensure that all of these communication boxes are filled. Go ahead and click on review journey details, and that takes you to the next window. So the next window is for you to review and pay. So in there, just go ahead and add your payments method and proceed to checkout. Here's where you can get a review, let's say a little review of your ticket in here from this particular right corner of your screen. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can book a ticket on Omio. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.